So I've got a couple of pictures here that I want to use for this tutorial, and I'm going to be putting the pictures side by side using Photoshop. Now I have these templates here. I don't want you to worry about creating the template yourself. I'll leave a link to both of them in the description. All I'm trying to do in this video is just to show you guys how to use them, because since I can create a template, why not just give them away? So these templates are going to work for Photoshop 2020 and above. And when you open them for the first time, if you are using a newer version of Photoshop, it's going to ask you to either merge all the folders or not. So do not merge them, just leave them separate. Alright, so I'm going to open the first one. This is what it looks like. It just looks blank. But you don't have to worry, there are some layers here that you can use to create the pictures. So the first layer we have here is the left layer. So you want to click on this part, not this side, but here. So double click on it, and you're going to get an empty space for you to put in your picture. So for this, I'm going to use the picture of this dog. I'm just going to drag and drop it. And as you can see, the picture has been placed. So you want to just adjust the size of the picture to cover these white bars. So I'll drag this line up and I'll drag this line down. And yeah, the picture has filled up the whole space. Next, I'll click this, and then I'll click this to close it, and then I'll click yes. So now it is on the left side. We'll do the same for the right side. We'll click on this, drag and drop your picture, adjust it, and then you click here, close this, and there you go. You have pictures on the left and right. So here is another template you can use if you want the pictures to be up and down, not left and right. So I'll double click on it to open it. So now we have these layers. This one is the top layer, this is the bottom one. So you double click on the top one to add your first picture. So for this, I'm going to be adding pictures of maybe, let's try this one. I'm going to adjust. And then I'll bring the picture all the way up so that the girl can be visible enough. And then I'll click on this. And I'll close. So we have her up here. Now we do the bottom one. Let's use this one. And then I'll click on this, close this page, and yeah, there we go. Now we have them up and down. So we have this line in the middle, and this is it here. You can deactivate it if you want, but I don't think it's necessary unless you really want to. So yeah. So after you're done putting the images side by side or up and down, the next thing to do is to export. And to export, the way I do it is by coming up here, I'll click on File, I'll go to Export. You can export as quick PNG, or I like using this one, Save for Web, and then just click on it. And then you can choose if you want it to be in JPEG or PNG. Sometimes I like using JPEG, sometimes I like using PNG 24. So for this, I'll use JPEG, and then you click on Save, and you decide where you want to save the picture. And after that, you'll have it on your device. So as I've said, you get the templates. Anytime you guys want to create pictures side by side using Photoshop, then you just double click on any of the templates, and then you just drag and drop your pictures, and that's all. You don't have to do everything from scratch. Alright, so if you found the video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have video requests, you can also leave them in the comments. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.